Hello. Welcome to our channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm Trader Next Door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. And yesterday, after NFP, we saw good amount of movement on the chart of gold. But the problem is that the up move did not last long. You can see after making this high, market showed consolidation, market came down and it could not go up again. Ultimately, gold closed around 4340, 4342 area. Okay. And if you have been watching my videos, then you must know that 4400. Remember, 4400 is a very crucial level, and gold closing below 4400 is still not a confirmation that bulls are back in the game again. So next week there is a possibility that we may see market in a range or market to be sideways. So the market opening is going to be very important. Okay, so at first let's look at the daily chart for more clarity. Okay, so first and foremost, let's look at the daily chart. This is the daily chart of gold in front of us, and after this long downtrend, we can see market went sideways here, and right now market is trying to recover. As we have already discussed plenty of times, that for gold to be bullish again, it needs to cross 4250 at first, which gold has done already, and then gold needs to cross 4400. Why 4400 is so significant? You can see if market crosses this level, then only there will be a structural change. Okay, then only there will be a structural change like this. Without any structural change, obviously, there cannot be any trend reversal. That's why gold crossing 4400 is important. So if you are a positional buyer or investor, if you have been accumulating gold around 4,000, 4,100, then obviously you're in good profit right now and you can hold your positions. And as I always say, my dear, not always, okay, for the last couple of days and weeks, okay, I have been saying that swing traders, this is not the right chart for you. And still, I feel that gold may not be the right chart. After 4400, okay, maybe you'll find some sweet opportunities. But if you have any ongoing buy on gold right now, you can hold your buy position as long as gold is trading above 4300. If gold breaks 4300, you need to close your positions because we can clearly see that gold is still not over for 4400 yet, and there is a possibility of market going sideways as well. Okay, and day traders obviously level to level trading. And if you look at the market sentiment, so Friday was mostly dominated by the NFP data. You can see gold hit 7-week high as weak US jobs data, dense rate hike bets, uh, failed to meet the expectations. As a result, okay, we saw gold going up. And more or less, okay, we can expect the same market sentiment to dominate, but still be careful, stay in touch with the news. Any development in the Middle East will have a direct impact. Okay, now let's discuss the trading opportunities for day traders like us. So what is the trend of the market here? The trend of the market is somewhat bullish, but for clarity and good amount of upside, gold needs to cross 4400. Clear? Oh. Now let's discuss the trading opportunities. So if we get a normal silent market opening, then we can expect the market to take support around 4328 again, because on Friday we saw gold taking support of 432728 area. But this time, okay, we are expecting some liquidity grab. So after, okay, if you see market breaking 432827, there's a high chance the market will be coming up again. When market will be coming up, okay, after some liquidity grab, we can look for a buy. 4328 is still a support zone for day traders if the volume is low. In case market shows high volume, then day traders, you need to focus on 4300 to 4310. The blue box that you see here is a support zone. In case market drops suddenly, you see that there is a sudden selling pressure, then 430010 is a support zone we need to check. And in this situation, I feel there's a good chance that market will be able to take support, or market will find some good support around 430010. So low volume opening, silent opening, 4328 is a support. We can buy after liquidity grab. Otherwise, we can look for support of 430010. Okay. We also have a support around 4280, but that is far away, which is the third support. And let's not discuss about 4280. Let's wait for the market opening right now. Okay. And at the top, okay, we have a resistance around 4380, 4400, which is a big zone. Okay, which is a big zone. So if market goes up, then obviously, okay, taking a sell in a big zone like this is a difficult task. So let's wait for the market to open. And as I always say, my dear friends, okay, weekends, obviously we love personally, but weekends can be dangerous for traders. And especially for the last couple of weeks, we have seen that weekends have become really uncertain. Okay, any news from White House or from US President Donald Trump will have a direct impact. And nowadays, gap up and gap downs have become very common. So stay in touch with the news as well. Any development on the US and Iran war will have a direct impact. But as of now, okay, I feel that if market comes on, the two buying opportunities that are shared are good. Okay, and if market goes up, then obviously we will get some time, and I will be coming on Monday as well, because simply discussing that 4380 4400 resistance zone won't help us, because this is a big zone, 200 pips, $20. Okay. But still, this resistance zone is still very much valid. And if market comes down, as a day trader, we can look for a sell as well. Means one or two candles, not more than that. Because right now we need to keep in mind that market is trying to recover. Okay, so gold may try to cross 4400. So if you take a sell and you sit and you forget about the position, you may get stuck as well. So nothing much to discuss. Next week may be crucial, because we will get a clarity whether gold will be bullish or not. Because if gold fails to break 4400, then we will see a sideways market like this. Bye bye. Take care.